G'day folks, it's Michael from Scalvini Racing Australia and bikeshop.com.au here. Today we're going to be putting a Scalvini and a Vortex on this 2017 model CRF 450. We've just done a base run with the OEM header on it and the OEM ignition to establish where we're at. So we're going to throw the Vortex on it and the Scalvini system and see how we go. We've also just taken a noise reading as well, just so we can establish how noisy the thing is with the OEM system. So we're going to get stuck into it. Alright, so the old system's off and the Scalvini's on. Fitted up really well. Took me about 40 minutes to get the old system out and the new system in. No problems at all. The finish on this system really is something else. I'll give you a close-up look here. So it's a lot fatter through the midsection than the OEM. And if I just duck around here, there's a change in taper here. There's a taper there, there's another taper up behind the frame. And then this beautiful section here where they've cut and welded all this. It's going to be a shame to hide that all behind a side plate. Okay, just to wrap this up, let's have a quick look at the dyno charts and see where we ended up. So you can see peak power was up from 52.3 up to 57.3. It's a gain of 5 horsepower. If we flip over to over rev, we went from 49.19. The OEM system here and the OEM ECU dropped off quite significantly in over rev, and we picked up 7 horsepower, 56.3. Interestingly, the original or OEM setup was really rich from about 7,500 RPM and started dumping a heap of fuel into it. So you can see the effect of that here, just starting to taper off. So obviously the system that we put on and the full tuned Vortex ECU doesn't have that drop off in over rev. So we picked up some really solid gains here, and this is the benefit of being able to get on the dyno, tune the system to the bike and tune the ECU. We bought the map from Vortex, the base map, and he played around with the ignition and also fueling. So this is a full custom tune for the bike and for the Scalvini system, and you can see the results of that right here on the dyno chart. So I'm really keen to hear back from the owner. He hasn't had a chance to ride it yet, but looking forward to hearing his comments. I think he's going to find us a different bike. If you've got any questions, please get in contact with us or check us out on Facebook or our website. Thank you very much.